Hey guys, welcome. So today I decided that I wanted to cut baby bangs because I don't know, I've just been thinking about it a lot, and I cut bangs recently, but they're kind of long. You'll see in a second. I don't know, I just been thinking about it a lot, and I don't know, I just don't feel fulfilled with these bangs. I feel like they're too long, and I feel like they could look cute shorter. So that's what we're gonna do. And I just came out of the shower, so they're still wet. See, they're pretty long on the sides, but I'm gonna fix them really quick and get them ready to cut, and I'll be right back. I'm back. All I did was sectioned it. So this is what the bangs are looking like. I'm a little nervous because every time I do bangs, I fuck them up. Except this time, it wasn't that bad this time. I kind of like them, but... Alright, I'm just debating whether I should cut them like this or I should style them first and then cut them. But I think I'm just gonna cut them. Alright. And then I'm not gonna put too much tension on them, because you know they don't lay hella flat like that. So. Alright girls, let's see. I'm just gonna trim these long pieces because I decided to add them first. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Move some stuff out of the way. Okay. Let me move back a little bit so you can see. Or, I don't know, how should I do this? I'll probably just move it a little bit. There we go. I'm novice. Okay, we're not putting a lot of tension on it. We're just trying to hold it straight. Okay. We're doing it for real. I think I'm gonna cut it okay, I want to do above the eyebrows for sure, so let's just do it then. Okay. They look a little weird right now. I don't know if I should cut them shorter. What do you think? Oh my god. When they dry, I feel like they go up a little bit more. I don't know. I'm gonna go shorter. Fuck it. Who cares? Who cares? It's not gonna look bad. I doubt it's gonna look bad. So I'm just gonna do maybe like this. Okay. Oh wait, this is actually so cute. But I kind of want to go shorter. I don't know. I hate when the hair gets all over the face. That's probably the worst part. Okay, let's put the hair in the front. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, I put it. Why do I kind of want to go shorter? Okay, no. We're gonna leave it here for right now. And I'm gonna style it really quick and I'll be right back and we'll see. Okay, so these are the bangs right after blow drying them. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup and just let the rest of my hair air dry and we'll see. Alright y'all, this is the end result. This is me. I mean, my hair just air dried, but this is with the makeup and everything. I think it turned out so cute. I love it. And I think the good thing is that it's gonna grow out really cute. Like now I feel like it's very like straight and like, what is it called, like blunt, but I feel like once it starts growing out it's gonna look really cute. I mean, it looks cute now, but like, yeah, this is it. Bye guys.